Hello everyone. Our project is Narxoz University Infrastructure Networks. Our team is Abdurrahman Sakenov as system manager and Jumabayel Janserek as network engineer. Audience analysis in Narxoz estimated we have 3,000 students, and if we think each of them has a one laptop and one phone, and it approximately will be 6,000 devices. Faculty is 120, and each of them has a laptop plus phone. It approximately will be 240 devices. Admin staff is 16, IT staff is 2, me, Abdurov, and Jansirik. Servers minimum 1, but we thinking it's 15. It's not restricted. Network devices various 25, and the total estimated devices is 6,300 devices. Narxoz requires the support business logic and academic operations is DHCP, DNS, FTP, NTP, SSH, and Telnet is optional. This technology is required. Narxoz University is a medium-sized academic institution that requires a secure, scalable, and reliable enterprise network to support academic, administrative, and research activities. Network must serve students, faculty members, administrative staff, and IT services while allowing future expansion. And here we have user group. Students will be accessing the electronic learning platforms, for example, Canvas, Cisco, Wi-Fi labs, university services. And faculty administrative staff will be controlling financial systems, admission, HR, marketing. IT services will serving the RCP, DNS, FTP, NTP, and network management. And Narxoz will have some guests. They will have limited access to our network. And what traffic will go through our network is online classes, LMS exams, databases, FTP, backups, SSH monitoring. The network must handle high daytime traffic with peak usage during lectures and exams. Growth and scalability. Our network is using hierarchical architecture, one core to distribution and access layer, VLSM addressing for efficient IP usage, spare IP ranges for future growth. This ensures the network can support increase in student count, new departments, additional service and devices. Our Cisco looks like this. Here we have one core router and the two router distribution, and then access layer we have 4 switches and some in devices like PC, servers, and the printers. Here my teammate, network engineer.
And with the first use it here, we rename it to the core configuration IP address interface. We use it as gigabyte 0 and 0 and 0 and 0 G gigabyte 0 and 1 enable the and attractive IP routing for traffic and or arrays we set up updating to core G0 and configuration posts as gateway for the local student routing is enabled, and using the interface range we selected ports 1 and 24 simulations see them to access mode for VLAN and enable them the switch ready for users. And we used DHCP configurations and the test DHCP requests. He was seeing their DHCP request successful. Here I'm testing the DHCP and I see successful request, and it is DHCP table and the DNS server. We configuration the DNS server so that users do not have the memorize completion name and address, and we see the DNS server test successful. He's working, and FTP server configuration we configure the FTP server for exchange within the network. We enable the service and the creating users account named admin with the password admin. FTP testing, here we tested the configuration of the server from the client side. And here we configuration the network time protocol on the core router. Core first we manually set the current date and time using the clock command, then executed the NTP master 1 command. Here we configuration as NTP client using the command NTP server 100.115.1. We pointed out the IP address of network core. At this stage, we configuration secured remote management for the ERCO router. First, we set the domain name, interpretation located and created an admin users with a password. As a CCH core, the distribution routers. And we see telnet configuration is doing about the local and transfer net and exit transfer into telnet, and let me control the SLA at the devices at 100.115.1. It is all.
Here is our cost of ownership. We have core router and the two distribution router. It will cost approximately 5 million. And the layer 2 switches, we have 4 of them. It will approximately cost us 2 million. Server is minimum 16 terabyte at 2 million tenge, and the printer is 56,000 tenge. PC is can be 10, can be not restricted. 10 of them will cost us 3 million tenge, and the network cables can be cost us 200,000 tenge. Total hardware cost is approximately 10 million tenge. Source of devices. All of the devices can be found at Next IT Kazakhstan. Provides Cisco ICR 4331, our routers, enterprise servers, printers, all of them can be found at Next IT Kazakhstan. Thanks for your attention. Thank you.